I love you. You love me. We are happy. Stephen is with me. Huh? With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't Stephen say, Mama, I love you. Love mama naman. Diba? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Uy. Ayan. W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't that deep and sing with me. Op. Aba. Hindi pwede yun ah. Ganun na lang ba ang labi-dabi natin? O, kabila. Halika dito. Ayan, nalaglag. Sandali. Ay, nako. Halika dito. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Uy. Dali. Taas kamay. Hindi yan, kabilang kamay. Ay, nawala. Nasaan si Stephen? Ayun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ano lang, may mama. 7, 8, 9. Oh, what's that? Teka muna. What do you tell mama? Mama, I love. You say you. Say you. You. Tatlo kiss ha. Dapat tatlo. Mwah. Nosy. Bonus. Remember ha? Hoy. Remember. Lagi. Always. Love. Paano love? No, hindi ganyan love. Love. Help. Paano help? Help. Listen. Tapos, huwag mong kakalimutan ang pinaka-importante. Lagi. Lord Jesus. Lagi Diba? Lord Jesus. Paano? Pray. Paano pray? Pray. Help. Tapos, love you, Lord Jesus. Flying kiss kay Lord Jesus. I love you. I love you, Mati Ben. Mwah.